start the class 4 with topic highest common factor. HCF means highest common factor. What does the mean of common factor? Consider two numbers here, 18 and 24. Common factor means if factor of two numbers are common between any two or three numbers, so these factors are common factors between those numbers. Suppose here factor of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, and factor of 24 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So 1, 2, 3, 6, these four numbers are common between 18 and 24 because these both have same number as a factor. Here 18 common factor 1 because 1 is the common factor of all numbers. So here is the 2 of 18, here 2 is the factor of 24 also, 3 is the factor of 18 and 24 both, and 6 is also the factor of 18 and 24 both. And here neither 9, 4, 8 nor 12, 18, 24 are factor of 18 and 24. So these only here four numbers that are factors of 18 and 24, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, how we get the factor? Factor is the multiplication. Suppose any number which divide to other number, so this number is the factor of those number. Here 18 can be fully exactly divisible by 6, 3, 2, 1, 9, 18. So these are the factor of 18. Okay, and 18 is the multiple of these number. Okay, common factor of 18, 24, 1, 2, 3 and 6. HCF is the highest number which divides two or more number exactly. Okay, so is the highest number that which divide two or more numbers exactly. Prime factorization or factor tree method, HCF. Factorizing a number into a set of prime numbers is called prime factorization. What does the mean of prime factorization? Factorizing a number into a set of prime number. So broke in the set of prime numbers to any number, that is the prime factorization. Here 12 given and here 12 is broke in three parts here. Suppose if you write 12 as a 4 into 3, and you can also distribute in 6 into 2 because 6 into 2 is equal to 12 also, 4 into 3 is equal to 12 also, and here the 3 number production, here 2, 2 and 3, 3 2 is 6 and 6 2 is 12. So 12 is factorized into one prime and one composite factor, and 12 is factorized into prime factors only. Okay, so here 3, 4, 2, okay, this is the 3 and here 4. So 3 is the prime number and 4 is composite. Here prime, here composite. But here 2 and 3, here only these column is the prime factorization because here all numbers are prime numbers. Okay, so in prime factorization must be distributed factorizing in prime numbers. Okay, find the prime factor of 12 and 16. Here 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6 and 3 1 is 3, then 2 2 and 3. Here is the prime factorization method. This is the factor tree method and this is prime factorization method. Okay, just see the factors of 16. After taking a factor, here 4 times 2, here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, this is the prime factorization. Okay, HCF of 24 and 40, just make up factors of 24 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and factors of 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, so HCF of 24 and 40, how we get it? Just take a common factor between those number 24 and 40. This is 2 into 2 into 2, only 3 times 2. So multiply these 3 2's together and here the product value 8. This is the HCF. Okay, HCF of by division method. So second method, by division method, divide both numbers together by their common prime factor, stop dividing when there is no common prime factor left. Okay, so first divide if given two numbers, then divide both numbers together by their common prime factor, then after stop dividing when there is no common prime factor left. Okay, here is the division method from different style, but I show you a different style division method which is I think easy for you. Okay, just see, if there is no common factor other than 1, then HCF is 1, so such pair of number are called co-prime number. It means अगर आपका HCF 1 होता है common factor, then these pair of number are called co-prime number. What it's called? Co-prime number if HCF got 1. Okay, just see the division method. Find HCF of 12 and 18. Here see the example, that example given on page number 18. Different type. Here division method, it is a different style with other than book. Here suppose 12 and 18 given, so divide na. Here division of two numbers together, 12 divided to 18, because 12 is lesser than to 18, so 12 divide to 18, 18 take as a dividend, 12 as a divisor. Now 12 1 ja 12, what remaining here? 6 na. Then after these divisor makes as dividend here. Now 6 2 ja 12, you can continue it if you at last have remaining as a 0, then you stop the division process. Okay, 6 2 ja 12, here remaining 0. Now you stop the process, and this is the HCF, which is the divisor at last. At last, which divisor you found, this is the HCF. Takes as HCF 6 because it's the last divisor. Okay, now just exercise 6E, here determine HCF by finding factor 5 and 10. So according to factors, here HCF of 5 and 10. 5, get a factors 1 into 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5, so this is the. Now 10, 1 into 2 into 5. 1 into 2 into 5 is equal to 10, and this is the factors also. So here the common factor 1 and 5. Okay, so HCF is equal to 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 25 and 30, here 25, 1 into 5 5 ja 25, 30. So here 1 into 2 into 3 into 5, 5 3 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. Here common factor 1 and 5 also. So write HCF is equal to 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Now in 16 and 48, here 16 and here 48. So 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16 here. Now 1 into 2. Okay. Then after here, suppose 2 2 ja 4 into 4 ja 8, 24. Then after here 2. Then after 2. Okay. Then after 2 and at last 3. 16 3 ja 48 na. So here 16 4 times 2 and here 48 into 3. Okay. So here HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now this is the HCF 16. Okay. Now come on, next question. Here determine HCF by prime factorization. Prime factorization के according 45. Just make a prime factorization here like this way. Okay. So here because 45 is the odd number, so just check it by dividing by 3. Okay. 15 3 ja 45. 3 5 ja 15, then after 5 1 ja 5, then after here 30 even, so here 2 1 ja 2, and here 15, here 3, then after here 5. Okay, now here write the factors. 45 1 into 3 into 3 into 5, and here of 30 1 into 2 into 3 into 5, from here to there. Okay, so HCF is equal to 1 into 3 into 5, 1 into 3 into 5, that is 50. Okay, now 40 40 and 72. I make a factor tree method for this question. Just make a factor tree method. Suppose 40 with prime factorization. Okay, 8 5 ja 40 na, simple. 8 5 ja 40. Now broke it in prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, and 5 1 into 5. So factor of 40, here you write as 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now here 48, broke it as 6 into 8. Okay, just make any two number you can take which have the product value as 48. Okay, suppose 12 4 ja 48, so you can also take 12 into 4. Okay, here 24 into 2. Here I take 6 into 8 because it's simple to evaluate. 3 into 2, here 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now these all the prime numbers now. So now write as 1 into, also here 1, all numbers. So 1 into 2 into 2 into, first write in the ascending order always. Okay, then after 3. Here now 72. 8 9 ja 72 na. So you can make it as 2 into 2 into 2, and 9 as 3 into 3. Okay, so write here 72 as 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, now just see the HCF or the common factor here. 1 2 between these all three numbers, so 2 is also common here. 2 again, then after 5 here or not. So now okay, 3 times 2, that is 8. Okay, at 8 is the HCF. Now here 128, 136 and 512. F. Question number F. 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 16 2 ja 32, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, and here at last 2 1 ja 2. Okay, then after 136, here as it given, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, then after 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, then after 17 is prime number, so divide it with this number itself, 17. Okay, now 512, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16 now, after 1 remaining, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, then here as it is here given the factors, so 2 16, here 2 8, 4 2, and at last 1, then stop. Write these factors as 128 is equal to 136 is equal to 512 is equal to, so just here write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, here 5 and 6 7 times 2. Okay, 4 5 6 7 times 2 here, then after 2 into 2 into 2, 2 times 2, and here 17. Then after here of 7 times 2 and 2 9. Okay, okay, here 9 times 2, so 6 times, then after 9 times. 7 times 2 is lowest, so write it as HCF, and here greater lowest to the 7 times 2, here 3 times 2 na, so write as HCF 2 into 2 into 2, because 3 times 2 found in these all three number. Okay, so HCF is equal to 8. HCF by division method, 30 and 50. So make a 30 as divisor because it's the lowest, then 50 as a dividend. 30 1 ja 30, remaining 20 make as a divisor and 30 as a dividend. Now from here, which I already explained you this method, 20 1 ja 20. Now 30 minus 20, 10. Okay, then after 20 as a dividend, 10 2 ja 20. Okay, I think it's simple for you, and 10 take as a HCF because this is the last divisor, so last divisor take as a HCF. Okay, now come on next of the question number 3. Here 420 and 360, so 360 is the divisor, 420 dividend, 360 divide it by 1 times and makes 360 here. Now 12 minus 6 6, 3 minus 3 0. Now 60 as a divisor and 360 dividend, so here 6 6 ja 36 na, so 6 times it divide fully. Okay, and 60 as a HCF here determine. Okay, to find the HCF of following pair of number and say if they are co-primes or not. So if the set of number have the HCF as 1, so this set of number is co-prime, and if other than 1 HCF found, then these are not co-prime. Okay, so here 15 and 30, HCF of 15 and 13 is, suppose factors of 15 1 3 and 5, and 30 is equal to 1 2 3 5 also, so this is not the co-prime. So write the HCF for first, then after write no, this is not a co-prime number. Okay, now 13 and 18, 13 and 18, factor of 13 1 and 13, and here 18 which is even number, so these have the HCF as 1 already because 13 is prime number. Okay, and the factor of 13 is 1 and number itself. Factor of any prime number is 1 and number itself. So here is HCF 1. So these are co-prime. Yes, this is co-prime. Okay, 17 and 34, here also 17 prime number and 34. So but here 34 have the factor of 17. Why? Because 17 is fully divisible, divide, because 34 is fully divisible by 17 and 17 exactly divide to 34. So 34 has the factor as 1 2 and 17. Okay, and 17 has the factor 1 and 17. So here is the HCF 17, not 1. 25 and 27, 25 and 27, here 1 5 into 5, and here 1 into 3 into 9. Okay, so here is the HCF 1, so this is the co-prime. Okay, as it is, you can check the another these questions, and I send you this all solution as a PDF. Find the prime factor of by factor tree method. Here find the factor tree method factors. Here suppose 30 divide in 10 into 3. Then after 3 already the prime number. Now divide 10. Here two parts. Suppose 2 into 5. So 3 into 5 into 2. This is the prime factors of the 30. Okay. As it is 63. 7 into 9. 7 into 9 broke 9 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 7 is the here 3 into 3 into 7 is the factors, prime factors of 63. Okay. 56 7 8 ja 56 7 is already prime number. Broke 8 in 3 number production as 2 into 2 into 2. So 3 times 2 into 7. This is the factor, prime factors. Okay. As it is, you can done this all